Hi, welcome to our channel. This is HTC One M9e, and now I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So remember, never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the charging mechanism, and I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So insert the one part of the brush in your charging port and gently try to pry dirt out. And that's all. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.